The box of the Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 is very simple and quite similar to the other accessories and ecosystem products from Xiaomi. You have the feature highlights at the front and specs at the back, and inside the box you get some documentation, a short USB Type-C cable, as well as a true wireless earphones case and earphones inside. The case has a very similar and understated design that my wife actually said resembles our purifier at home, so in a way it does echo the Xiaomi design language. But I quite like this design due to the fact that it's non-glossy and as a result scratches less easily, and fingerprints also don't show up unlike Realme Buds Air. It's currently only available in a white color, although I would say that some bolder colors such as yellow or red will do definitely good, especially with the younger crowd these days. Speaking of the Realme Buds Air, in comparison, Xiaomi's case and earphones are both bigger, but from first impressions I prefer Xiaomi's ones due to the superior audio quality. In terms of fit, I prefer earphones that go into my ear canal due to the fact that it helps you isolate the sounds from the outside world and also requires lesser volume to listen as a result, which also reduces the strain on battery. Another reason is to prevent it from falling, but in this case I didn't have an issue of it falling from my ear and I tested it with a rigorous shake. Inside the case is a 250 mAh battery, and each earphone has a 30 mAh battery inside it, and apparently takes 1 hour to charge the case fully. The magnets that hold the case cover and earphones in place are strong and hold it securely in place. The pairing is fairly easy, and especially on Xiaomi phones, you have a nice pairing animation along with an easy pairing process which just requires you to press the pairing button for 2 seconds when asked to do so. After that, they auto connect every time that you open the case. Sound quality seems good so far, and I can't wait to try it with the Mi 10 that supports better quality streaming. No latency issues were spotted so far, and it also supports auto play and pause with wear detection, and touch controls also work fine. The phone also shows the amount of battery left in the earphones. The Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 are currently available at a price of Rs 3,999, which is an introductory offer that was only supposed to last until 17th of May, but it has been extended till the 20th considering how non-essentials are now allowed in red zone areas too during COVID-19 lockdown period. After that, the price will go up to Rs 4,499. Stay tuned to our review. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also take a look at our Superfans program.